Well, welcome back to the farm blog, the CoveyChase farm blog. This is the second farm blog of 2022. It's Saturday in January, I believe it's the 15th, and today we're going to be working on this fence row here, where we're trying to get it cleared out so where we can run a high tensile wire and get electric fence back to this part of the farm. We're going to get the front end loader out and try to move some of this brush that I've already got cut. We'll move it into piles. Some of it will burn, some of it good for rabbit habitat. So I appreciate y'all watching and enjoy the day. During the growing season, we like to rotationally graze all the animals. There'll be more to come on that. But in order to do that, what we do is usually set up an electric fence around the fields, and we break them up into smaller paddocks, and that way we're able to move the animals several times a week, usually at least once a day, if not twice a day. Here what you'll see is the poly wire. This is what we use to separate it, all the different paddocks. But the key is, for us, is this high tensile wire here, and being able to run electric from down at the barn and get it back here to where we can just simply hook the poly wire up and break it up into paddocks. So we've already got one that goes on the fence row from the barn up here to the top of the hill where our corral is. And what we're going to do now is this cross fence that goes from one side of the farm back way over to the other side. The goal is to get that fence row cleared out and add another high tensile wire there that will allow us to break up the back part of the farm into paddocks. But this is the grapple used to pick up brush. It is a 72 inch with a Euro style hookup to my Zeta tractor loader. Well, overall I'm pretty happy with this part of it. Got a few more little pieces just to get off the fence there, but I'll be able to run that high tensile wire to right here. However, this is still work to be done to get the fence onto the other side of the corral. So unfortunately, I think I have the easy part done. You'll see where I've cut down quite a few big cedars up here. I'll have to get this loader in here and move these out of the way, and then all right, about 2.5 hours later, and here's what we've got done. So we got all this brush picked up here. Obviously still got quite a bit more of the fence row to clear out, but a lot of cedars, a lot of trees were moved right here. I didn't get it filmed, but got it done. You'll see I've got an even bigger brush pile here. There's the access to the corral from the back field. So now we're able to get in through here pretty easy. This was all those trees right here. It's kind of hard to have a farm video and not show any animals. So it just so happens the cows are running up here to take a look at what's going on. So let's give a little ride, see how they're looking today. Being steers, they seem to be a little bit happy. So maybe they don't know they're steers. Well, since we saw the cows, I guess we should take a look at the sheep. I also think that it's proven that you get more likes on your videos if you show a sheep or two every now and then. Sheep! 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 Sheep seem to be the most flighty animal I've ever seen. One little fast movement and they like to bolt. They all look good. Well, with that, I appreciate everyone watching the CoveyChase farm vlog. This is the second one of January 2022. Everyone have a great rest of the week. See ya.